Hello YouTubers, welcome back. My name is Arslan and this is it. Welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm finally made it back home. Want to see the videos is in the description below. Unfortunately it's not out quite yet. I'm just almost done closely. I'll get it out as soon as possible. But just wanna keep up with this channel. I got this Allegiant here. It's a single plane. I got this from the airplane shop. My parents were shocked with those millions of airplanes, and I got this Allegiant. Of course, it's the cheapest one. And I gotta, let's open that up. Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Sorry, my brother is very loud again. Sorry about that. Hold on, let me take out. Oh my, it's getting heavy for me. Here's the back of the box. Let's go ahead and open. Go ahead, open them. I'm trying to find my brother. And here's the plane. Bang!
No.
My brother won't be quiet. My brother won't be quiet. It's really cranky to me. And here's a plane. It's a really nice one. It's really new. And we'll go into my airport right here. This is brand new. Look forward to seeing that in the airport. Hope you will fly it. And there's a Allegiant City of a song. I couldn't film. Sorry. And finally, this is my previous. Finally made it back home. I'm kind of exhausted. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it out the hanger just so I have prepared for service. We can just quick inspect it. That's it. And we'll go to service. Let me close the box and display it to you. Alright. The iPad's getting heavy to me. And that's the Allegiant Airlines for you guys. Here you go. Thanks guys for watching this video. Look forward to seeing the trip reports. From Minneapolis to Las Vegas and Las Vegas to Minneapolis. Just to let you know guys, the Minneapolis to Las Vegas won't be much full because couldn't fit around because all those got too full on my iPhone, unfortunately. That's kind of sad. When we landed on Las Vegas, it got full. I couldn't unfortunately do full inbound taxi, and also you got to delete all stuff. Unfortunately, sadly. Well guys, hope you enjoy it. There you go. My brand new plane over here. We'll see you guys later. Stay tuned towards more videos on this channel. And my second one, the longer one. I'll see you guys later. Later.